Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to First PUC Statistics online classes. In the previous class we had discussed about problems on median. In this class we are going to discuss similar type of problem, that is problem number 1. So calculate median for the following distribution, and here given informations are weights and number of mangoes. So here weights are nothing but that is class intervals, number of mangoes nothing but that is frequencies. So here the given observations are that is continuous frequency distribution. So see here given informations are continuous frequency distribution, and here we need to calculate median. So to calculate median in case of continuous frequency distribution, there are some important steps are there. In that step 1 is find LCF. So next column is less than cumulative frequency. So how to calculate less than cumulative frequency? To calculate less than cumulative frequency, we need to write this first frequency as it is. See, so here the first frequency is 10. I will write this 10 as it is here. So after that, for this 10, we need to add the second class frequency. See, here the second class frequency is 20. So for this 10, I will add this 20. So 10 plus 20 is 30. So next for this 30, I will add this 42. So 30 plus 42 is 72. Next for this 72, I will add 54. That is 126. Next for this 126, I will add 45. That is 171. Next for this 171, I will add 18. So plus 18, that is 189. Next for this 189, I will add 7. That is 196. So here we got LCF observations. These are the LCF observations. Okay, next move to step 2. Here step 2 is find n by 2. So here n by 2 in the sense, here n is number of frequencies. So here we need to find capital letter N. So that is total number of frequency. How to find total number of frequencies? If we add these frequencies, we will get total number of frequency. So here the first frequency is 10 plus 20 plus 42 plus 54 plus 45 plus 18 plus 7. So here capital letter N is 196. Okay, next I will substitute this 196 in this formula. So that is N is 196 divided by 2, that is 196 divided by 2 is 98. So next, so step 2 is over. Step 3 is we need to find the median class. So here how to find out median class? Okay, let me check the first value, that is 10. So see the first LCF value, that is 10. This 10 is less than 98. So this class is not median class. Next this 30 is less than 98. So this is also not median class. And next value is 72. 72 also less than 98. This is also not median class. Next see here, this 126 is greater than 98. So this class is median class. So this class is median class. Okay, next. So now from in this median class, so okay, next step 4 is using median formula we can calculate median. So median formula is M is equal to, M is nothing but median is denoted by capital letter M. So M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into C. So here L in the sense that is lower class limit. See in this median class This is upper class limit and this is lower class limit. See, before that, see here the given class intervals are inclusive class intervals. So, to calculate median in case of continuous frequency distribution, we need to convert this inclusive class interval into exclusive class interval. So, how to convert this inclusive class interval into exclusive class interval? See, using correction factor we can convert this inclusive class interval into exclusive class interval. So, correction factor is like this. So, correction factor formula is lower class limit minus upper class limit. So, yeah, lower class limit minus preceding upper class limit divided by 2. So, see here lower class limit is, this is lower class limit. So, in the place of lower class limit I will substitute 420 minus for this lower class limit preceding upper class limit is 419. So, in the place of preceding upper class limit I will substitute 419 divided by 2. So, 420 minus 419 is 1 divided by 2. So, here 1 by 2 we can also write 0.5. See here correction factor is 0.5. After that, so next to get exclusive class interval from this inclusive class interval, we need to subtract the 0.5 in lower class limit and we need to add this 0.5 to this upper class limit. So, therefore, here the class limits are like this, that is, see here the upper class limit, lower class limit is 410. So, from this 410 we need to subtract this 0.5. So, here the value is 409.5. So, for this value we need to add this 0.5. So, 419 plus 0.5 is 419.5. Next, so here the this is 420 is lower class limit. So, from this lower class limit we need to subtract 0.5. So, 420 minus 0.5 is 419.5. 2. So, for this we need to add 0.5 because it is upper class limit. So, 429 plus 429 plus 0.5, that is 429.5. Next, from this we need to subtract, that is 429.5 to 439.5, then 439.5 to 449.5, then 449.5 to 459.5, then 459.5 to 469.5 and 469.5 to 479.5. So, see here this is exclusive class interval. So, here we converted inclusive class interval into exclusive class interval using this correction factor. Okay, now let us move to formula. So, the formula, median formula is L plus N divided by 2 minus F divided by F into C. So, see here what is L? L is lower class limit. See, this is the selected median class. In this selected median class, the L in the sense lower class limit. See, this is 449.5 is upper class limit and 439.5 is lower class limit. So, therefore, we need to select this as L. Next, we need CF. So, here we got N by 2. So, here N by 2 is 98. Then we need CF. CF is, that is preceding cumulative frequency. So, see, this is selected median class. So, here this value is, that is LCF. LCF is nothing but that is cumulative frequency. So, to calculate median we need preceding cumulative frequency. So, here the preceding cumulative frequency is 72. This is preceding cumulative frequency for this value. Next, we need F. F is nothing but that is class frequency. So, here the class frequency is 54. Next, we need C. C is nothing but that is width of a class. Here, how to calculate width of a class? That is upper class limit minus lower class limit. Here, upper class limit is 449.5 and here lower class limit is 439.5. So here C is 10. So here we got all the values. What is L here? L is 439.5. Then F is 54. Then CF is 72 and C is 10. So next, so here see all the values are there. Okay, now I will substitute these all the values under this formula. That is M is equal to, what is L here? L is 439.5 plus N by 2. Here N by 2 is 98 minus CF is 72 divided by F is 54 into C. C is 10 and this is equal to 439.5 plus, first I will subtract these two values, that is 98 minus 72 is 26 divided by 54 into C, that is 10. So this is equal to 439.5 plus 26 divided by 54, that is 0.481 into 10. So this is equal to 439.5 plus 0.481 into 10, that is 4.81. So this is equal to 439.5 plus 4.81, that is 444.31. So here median value is 441.31. Okay, next move to problem number 2. So here the second problem is calculate median for the following distribution. So here given informations are profit and number of company. So profit is nothing but that is class intervals and number of company is nothing but that is frequency. So here profits are given like this, that is below 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90 and 90 and above. And see here, so here given class intervals are, that is open and class intervals. So and here number of companies are 4, 8, 18, 30, then 15, 10, 8 and 7. So here given distributions are open and class intervals. So this does not affect calculation of median. Okay, this open and class interval does not affect to calculate median. So see, to calculate median in case of continuous, so this is continuous frequency distribution, isn't it? Because they are given information that class intervals and frequency. So to calculate continuous frequency distribution in case of median, to calculate median in case of continuous frequency distribution, there are some important steps are there. In that step 1 is, that is to find less than cumulative frequency. We know that how to calculate less than cumulative frequency. First we need to write the first class frequency as it is. So here the first class frequency is 4. Next 4 plus 8, that is 12. Then 12 plus 18, that is 30. Then 30 plus 30, that is 60. Then 60 plus 15, that is 75. 75 plus 10, that is 85. 85 plus 8, that is 93. 93 plus 7, that is 100. So this is the step 1. Step 1 means we need to find less than cumulative frequency. Okay. Then step 2 is, that is find n by 2. We know that here n in the sense that is total frequency. Here total frequency is, that is 4 plus 8 plus 18 plus 30 plus 15 plus 10 plus 8 plus 7. So here capital letter N is 100. Okay, next we need to substitute this capital letter N value. So 100 in this formula. So 100 divided by 2, that is 50. Next I will find this value in LCF. So here 50, see this 4 is less than 50, 12 is less than 50, 30 is less than 50, but 60 is greater than 50. Therefore, I will select this class as median class. So after that, next I will, to calculate median, I will use the formula, that is m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus f divided by f into C. So this is equal to, what is L here? L is 50, this is frequency, this is cumulative frequency. Then what is C? C is upper class limit minus lower class limit. So here C is 10. So now we got L is 50, n by 2 is 50, then CF is 30, F is 30, then C is 10. Okay, now I will substitute all the values under this formula. That is, what is L here? L is 50. So m is equal to 50 plus, then n by 2 is 50 minus CF is 30 divided by F is 30 into C. C is 10. So this is equal to 50 plus 50 minus 30 is 20 divided by 30 into 10. This is equal to 50 plus 20 divided by 30 is 0.666, yeah, 0.666 into 10, and this is equal to 50 plus 0.66 into 10 is, that is 6.66, and this is equal to 50 plus 6.66 is 56.66. Okay, this is median for this given distribution. Yes, these are the important problems on median. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.